Welcome to Neural Review. Today we're reviewing the Oppo Find X9 Pro, one of the most exciting flagship phones of 2026.
Starting with the design, this phone looks premium with slim bezels and a beautiful curved glass back. It weighs 224 grams and measures just 8.25 mm thick. It feels solid and comfortable in hand.
The highlight is this stunning 6.78-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and up to 3600 nits peak brightness.
Colors are vibrant, and the screen is incredibly bright even under direct sunlight.
Performance is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset with 16 GB of RAM.
Gaming and multitasking feel extremely smooth, with zero lag.
Now, the camera system fan window, this is where Oppo is going crazy.
You get a 50MP main camera, 50MP ultra-wide, and a massive 200MP Hasselblad telephoto lens.
The zoom quality is outstanding. You can get sharp images even at 10x and beyond.
Portrait shots have beautiful natural bokeh, and colors are very accurate thanks to Hasselblad tuning.
Video recording goes up to 4K at 120 FPS with excellent stabilization.
With the new 50MP front camera, every detail is captured in stunning clarity. Get yours today and redefine your selfie game.
This easily gives you 2 days of heavy use. I'm genuinely impressed.
It supports 80-watt fast wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging.
Software-wise, it runs ColorOS 16 based on Android 16. It's smooth and feature-rich.
You also get excellent IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistance. Pros: insane battery, powerful zoom camera, bright display, premium build. Overall, the Oppo Find X9 Pro is a camera and battery monster.
Cons: ColorOS still has some bloatware and it's quite expensive.
ท่านอีกบางงาน Overall, the Oppo Find X9 Pro is a camera and battery monster.
If you love photography and need all-day battery, this phone is a serious contender.
So, is it worth buying in 2026? For most users, Rome, Pindus, yes.
And drop your thoughts in the comments. Which phone are you planning to buy?
Thank you for watching Neural Review. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.